As we talked about with Liz Wilson, sometimes it's easier to look at a graph for some questions that you are trying to answer, and at other times it's easier to look at a table. So for this series of questions, we have both a graph and a table. So to know what the highest temperature was on day 7, you can do either. You can either look at the graph and see that the point is right here at 60, or you can confirm that by looking at your table. So that's 60 degrees Fahrenheit. When you type it into assessments, you're just going to type in 60. On which days was the highest temperature 61 degrees? Again, you can either look at the graph and notice where those points are, or you can look at your chart and notice that day 2, day 4, and day 6 all have highs of 61. And then, is the temperature a function of the day? And the answer for that is absolutely. Because there is only one high temperature for each day. And for the last one, is the day a function of the temperature? And the answer is no, because we kind of figured that out already with our second question here, where there are multiple days that have the same high temperature. And so if you were to reverse this graph, you wouldn't necessarily know which day was 61 degrees.